to Mr. Madan now to help us understand, how is he looking at the auto sector at large and all these news flows as to how they are going to be impacting the sentiment, the demand, sales, and if there is any opportunity for investors to look at there as well. Mr. Madan, so many, moving parts here. Auto sector, as we all know, has reflected the maximum amount of enthusiasm after the GST rationalization was announced. Now comes in when the minister himself is talking about extension of GST relief to those who may be thinking of scrapping their older cars to buy new. How is that likely to impact in case this move is accepted? We are given to understand by 22nd of September, we are going to be having the initial thought process of whatever has been finalized by the GST Council so far. But eventually, how are you looking at these newer reforms that could be coming in onto the auto space? Mr. Madan, could you hear me?
Sakshi, I think I partly missed your question. Your audio
was okay. Could you give me an outlook on the auto space at large with respect to the entire GST rationalization?
Like you rightly said, that enthusiasm, a lot of enthusiasm is also already priced in, and we have seen a surge in the prices. So if you're, if you will continue to catch that enthusiasm, maybe somewhere you get trapped on the top. So I think what we are suggesting to our clients is, at best, we should hold the buying at these current levels, because I think, like you say, that news is also priced in, and not just priced in, the price reaction also happened. These are the times when at times you get caught on top of the barrel, which is a very important discipline which one should follow. At best, you can go to auto ancillary stocks because there are still pockets of the pockets of opportunities are there. So otherwise, I think new age stocks where consumption would lead. I think GST reforms and the tax reforms, every reform, Sakshi, has a lag effect. So I would say that the new age stocks and probably the stocks which are consumption themes, which is hotel, travel related, and probably all these things which we are positive about, because these are the themes which will emerge. Like I just said that, the bigger question people ask is, कि मेरा stock कब निकलेगा? When I'll be able to sell my Hudco or IREDA or PSU stocks or REC or PSU stocks which are stuck. So my answer is that somewhere you have to take that, you have to bite that bullet, and probably the churn is very important. That is a very courageous move, Sakshi, because anybody's portfolio have seen a unprecedented profits in the past, and suddenly last 1 year they're down and out and lackluster market. For them to book a loss is very important. So we say that churning of portfolio at some point in time is very important. For example, market infra stocks, led by BSC and many other stocks. It's been months I've been saying that the closure of weekly expiries, they were the darling of the exchanges. They were traders' delight. They were investor delight, and they have given multi-mega returns. But if you keep holding them, not realizing that what will be the effect of the closure of these weekly expiries, which will lead to something. That's where somewhere you have to take that action. So which is very important. So churn of portfolio would be the theme for the next few months, because even if, as I said, that we are going towards new high at some point of time, which will surely go, but will the same stocks will take us, which were the heroes of the past bull run? Probably the answer is no.
So heroes of the past, but what will be the hero of the future, Ashu? Like you pointed out, identifying the heroes is going to be an extremely important step there.